Hello guys, welcome back to another video. We are doing Advent of Cybersecurity 2023 live, which will be in the 3 hours. So that is definitely one of the best things that is happening here, guys. So if you are using a TryHackMe, you probably know this is everywhere at the end of the year. They will do this Advent of Cyber, which is now going to be live in 3 hours. And let's see what are the things that we have to check in every at the start of the month to till the end of the month. I believe till the 30 days completed, 30 new roundups or new machines will be there, and you have to hack it, and that is best things. Kickstart your cybersecurity. Let's see what we have. Kickstart your cybersecurity career by engaging in a new beginner-friendly exercise every day leading up to Christmas. Okay. Tackle and active taxes across the various areas of cyber, from the hacking actual machines to defending the actual and telling stories, and gather to file the McGreedy dash, the Starly plans. Okay. That is, we have over 50,000 prizes worth of prizes. Basically, the more questions you answer, the more chances you have of the winning. Okay, basically, which is like in your perspective, if you answer more questions, you have the more capacity or like more priority to win this prizes. Okay, we'll discuss what are the prizes are there. But let's see, free event is completed, free, absolutely no cost involved. So basically you just have to come to this page and start join for free and ready for the December 1st. And today is the December 1st, so that's basically it will gonna start today, guys. So after that completion of this whole episode, they will gonna give you if you have run every single machines, so they're gonna give you certificate which like complete all 24 daily security tasks and earn a custom certificate of completion, and which will be written as you have completed the Advent of Cyber 2023 on your name. So obviously you can showcase that definitely. And the featuring John Hamad will be there, Gerald Agor, Insider PHP, Infosec Pat. Awesome. We have a video here which shows like what you will learn. Okay, what you will learn, I do want to check that first. What you will learn, what is that? Penetration testing, security operations and security engineering, digital forensic and incident response are one of my best part. Malware analysis, one of my best part. Machine learning. Okay, that is cool. That is definitely cool. You're gonna begin with the penetration testing. Basically, you will be hacking any machine, I think. And second thing is security operation and security engineering. You might be having access to any of the security operation center tools where you have to analyze the traffic, or might be you have to give the information what you have obtained from the network. Okay. And when it comes to digital forensic, I believe they're going to give some of this any files. Based on those files, utilizing those files, you have to dig down into forensics. You have to bring back the forensic artifacts. I think you have to submit those forensic artifacts to the file. In the malware analysis, I believe you will be spot onto a new malware where you have to take that file and you have to analyze that file using a different malware analysis tools, and then you have to submit whatever the answers. And machine learning might be you will going to learn some of the new things in the machine learning with respect to cybersecurity, I believe. I don't know what we are going to see that. Okay, let's see. That is new here, definitely. Okay, we have a cool video here which is totally on cybersecurity professionals. Okay, that is good. Hats off to this people who are doing this on that. Okay, and kudos to all the people who are who will be featuring here. So that is definitely you have to do it. Go and follow all the peoples in the YouTube. They do have their channels, and they do showcase their expertise on the cybersecurity. What is cybersecurity Advent? Basically, Advent of Cyber is your festival gateway into your cybersecurity. Each day leading up to the Christmas, we will be releasing a super fun beginner-friendly exercises design. It is beginner-friendly, guys, so you can join. So it is basically like you can work on this, and even if you are new into cybersecurity. Okay, To ease you into the realm of the cybersecurity for 24 days, I will be breaking down common cybersecurity topics into a bite-sized walkthroughs and challenges following an engaging storyline where you will need to help us save Christmas. Okay, each task is accompanied by supportive resources and guided video tutorial, ensuring you are never left out in the cold. Okay, we'll also be having a videos tutorial, I believe. That is good. And with over 50,000 worth of prizes up for grab, you have a great chance of winning big. Oh, definitely. Event details, starting date will be today, and at the 4 p.m. GMT timestamp, it will gonna get started. So still 3 hours 12 minutes are there. That is good. Don't look into my look into my timing. It's definitely wrong, I believe. I didn't check that one because I do have to change the timestamp on that one. Okay, here we have a certificate where you will be earning a certificate on the at the end of the this cybersecurity advent. And next we have advent timeline, and that is going to be like what each and every day will be taught and what are the things that they're going to focus on every day. Okay, what you will learn: unwrap a new beginner friendly task. That is fine. December with a song. Okay, topic covered: penetration testing, as we have seen that before. Okay, and they have drilled down. I do wanted to check with that. Sorry, let's start with the first itself. Okay, in the penetration test, penetrations for the short in ethical hacking to an attempt to test and analyze the security postures of the systems. Okay, another information assets. A penetration test involves using the same tools, techniques, and methodologies that someone with the malicious intent would use. Is similar to an audit. During this year advent of cyber, you will learn penetration techniques that apply to system, web application, and even DevOps pipelines. Okay, security operations and security engineering. Okay, you have a SOC team in the IT security professional tasked with the monitoring. Okay, as I have said before, you will be monitoring a company's network and system 24/7 a day, 7 days a week. Okay, you will be let's just assume you are a SOC analyst where you have to be performing these tasks every day. Okay, in that scenario you will be a security engineer on the other hand, are responsible for implementing and maintaining organization security controls during the advent of this 2023 event. You will be analyze and triage traffic and logs. You will also apply a sophisticated defense mechanism to interrupt the threat actors. That is good. Okay, digital forensic incident response. Okay, DFR covers the collection of forensic and artifacts from the digital devices such as the computers, media devices, and smartphones. Okay, you will be collecting all the DFR artifacts basically, and this field helps security of professional identify footprints with by attacker when a security events incident occurs. Use them to determine the extent of the compromise in an environment and restore the environment to the state. Okay, it was before the incident occurred. During the advent of cybersecurity, you will learn forensic techniques to analyze memory and the USB drives. Okay, and assist in the incident response activities such as eradication. Nice. Machine learning, yeah, that I after that machine learning they have. Okay, then sure. Artificial intelligence mechanism, ML system enabling software to identify and leverage the intricate patterns in the vast amount of data to solve the complex problems. Okay, in the system. These systems are, while growing in a popularity, can still be an unexplored territory for security professionals. During the event, you will get an introduction to the topic of machine learning and have an opportunity to learn and some of the its blue and red team application for cybersecurity. Nice. Because as you know, guys, machine learning and AI has been integrated with lot of cybersecurity tools right now in these days. So these things are in pretty much in the work and pretty much involved in the cybersecurity work. So that's why they wanted to learn these things, might be. And malware analysis aims to study the malicious programming using a various means. Malware analysis is likely a cat and a mouse. Okay, malware authors keep devising a new techniques to evade detection, while malware analysis keeps finding a ways to identify and neutralize these techniques. During the advent of cybersecurity 23, You will learn some basic concepts and techniques used in the malware analysis and encounter the trace left with the malware activity in the multiple scenarios. Okay, we have a first, we can go and look through every single day what they were going to do, I would say, but let's just not go there because it's just the only information or introduction to that one. We can definitely look into that. They have a high rise coming down. Okay, zero data, a lot of things will be there. It will be complete 30 days of timeline they will going to provide here. So if you got time, you can just look into those things. But first of all, be prepared for this GPT-3 enumeration. So they're definitely going for the chatbot injections. So that is good. Advent of cybersecurity for business. Okay, for the business people also they are running. Now we have prices, right? Now we have definitely prices. What are the different prices are there? What kind of prices you will might be to earn? Okay, look at that. It is worth of $50,000. So which is basically going to all the things are worth of 50,000. It means we have a lot of things to cover here. We have Steam Deck, Razer, Bass, we have a mouse kit, AirPods, HP Pavilion Tower PC. Oh my god, look at that beauty over there. So if you definitely want this kind of we also have this one, Computer Security Plus exam voucher. They have 9 available. It depends who it goes and who it not goes. Basically how this prices will going to work is you will going to work all the task and all the competitions every day till the 30 till the whole month ends. After the end of this they're going to draw, all the participants will be entered into the prizes draw, and then winners will be randomly selected, guys. So if you are lucky enough, you will definitely get it. So just complete this task and get ready for the end of the month. You can also look for the terms and conditions, but these are the things. We have the wallpapers covered here. You can download these wallpapers. Nice. Oh, meet the characters. We have the characters. MC. What is this? MC Skiddy. MC. MC Skiddy. Okay. Recon. MC Red. Nice. We have a lot of characters covered in these stories. So he's a cybersecurity Santa special approved in the Candy and K. Okay, we can go. There is also a one comic book has been uploaded on this one, I believe, because every year they do upload one of the comics on these characters. So you will be learning every single part of them. Okay, I think this kind of looks like a boss, a friend, Frosty detective. Okay, bandit. Okay, eat bandit eat is also there. He'll be okay. We have a storyline here. I would definitely recommend you guys if you love reading manga kind of things. I love reading manga, so I just don't wanted to cover in this video because it will gonna take too much time and we're going to not get into that information right now. So definitely check out this, guys. It's awesome, and do start within, I believe, how many times is left? Yeah, 3 hours. 3 hours is left. So just get back into this, guys, and see you in the next video. We'll be working towards every single machine every day. So do check out those videos. If you wanted to be in, if you want me to be live on that session, so we can do that. We definitely have a lot of things to cover in this cyber adventure. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.